Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Ford F150 Key easy method. Start by testing the battery, inspecting the fob for damage, and cleaning contacts with isopropyl alcohol. Check the metal blade and remote buttons for wear, then try a quick reset by cycling the ignition and holding the lock. If the fob still fails, try reprogramming using the vehicle pairing steps or visit a shop for OBD programming. Keep a simple toolkit ready before you start fixing the key so you save time and frustration. Gather a multimeter, small Torx bits, a flat screwdriver, and isopropyl alcohol for cleaning contacts. Working on the bench with good light makes the process smoother and helps avoid lost small parts. A fresh CR 2032 or compatible battery often solves common remote issues without programming or expensive replacement. If basic fixes do not work, step up to advanced troubleshooting to save money and time. Follow the vehicle pairing sequence closely to reprogram the remote and inspect the antenna ring for damage that can block the key signal. When reprogramming fails, cloning the transponder or using an OBD programmer at home or a locksmith often resolves stubborn issues without replacing the ECU or buying expensive dealer keys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.